Stewart. I'm from Stewart here in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan. And today I'm at the Birmingham Bloomfield Art Center in Birmingham, Michigan, our neighboring city. And we're finishing up on the installation for a new show entitled Near and Far Contemporary Fine Prints that I curated. So in the show we have work from 9 artists, 5 of them from the Detroit area, principally from the educational institutions, and then 4 from Boston and the New York area. So I'm standing in front of work by Janet Fish. These are screen prints that Janet has done at the Stewart workshop here in Bloomfield. And this is one of the 5 basic printmaking processes, screen printing, and it's commonly known as silk screen for a lot of people, but screen printing really is a name that's more accepted these days. And in this particular process, the artist generates a drawing on clear mylar for every color that we need to print to create the actual edition. So it's a very labor-intensive process. Janet works with very transparent colors, so in using transparent colors, she can achieve more on the surface of the paper. For instance, if you print a blue and then you print a transparent yellow on top of it, and also on white paper, you'll get actually 3 colors. You'll have the blue, you'll have yellow, and you'll have green wherever that yellow overlaps the blue. So it's, Janet always said, it's like playing 3-dimensional chess because you're having to think all of these permutations through, but it's a pretty elaborate process. And she's an excellent painter, so that makes the process go much easier for her. Over here we have work by Pamela Delaura. Pam is from, she runs the intaglio and the screen printing area at Wayne State University. And these are examples of both monotypes and hand drawing and some flocking and also some screen print. This particular piece combines both intaglio printing, which is one of the 5 basic processes, with screen printing on top. So she's got this black field, this house image with the gray-white printed, surprinted on top of the black and screen print. So it's a beautiful piece, and she has other pieces here where she's actually gone in and done hand drawing with the work, some beautiful drawing images. So here's an artist who uses both the print technique and also handwork on top of the work. Over on this wall we have work by Randy Bolton. Randy is print media department chairman at Grambling Academy of Art. And Randy has a very interesting way of taking and working from a collection of children's books that he has. And he appropriates the images through digital technology, and then he takes and combines the images into completed works, and then there'll be drawings involved with it as well. In this larger piece, what Randy's done is done all of the digital work, and then once the image is set and it's to his liking, he takes it to a place that actually takes and prints this by inkjet printing. So it's a large banner, and this is a company that does commercial work. So they print off the sheet on an oilcloth type of a surface, and then what Randy does is he goes ahead and puts the special attached devices to the outside to be able to hang the work. So it's his idea, it's his manipulation of the image. The output is actually through a commercial output. But he likes very much having these Ben-Day screens, the dot patterns that you would normally see in a book, in a printed book form. And then he's added some sculptural pieces that actually pull off from the image. And when he exhibits this, he'll have the chalkboard that you see in the actual work, and the Tun's cap, and the chalk sitting there as well. So it's a real assemblage of items. On the 2 of the other pieces here, these are pieces that, again, where he has appropriated images digitally, combined them to form two pieces that actually work together as a group, and then he prints them by hand in screen print. So these are images where he's done everything from the beginning part, the manipulation digitally, right through the actual printing of the work in screen print.